To stay awake when you're feeling tired, try dancing while listening to some upbeat music to increase alertness. If that doesn't work, avoid being sedentary for too long. If you can, try standing up and jogging in place, since getting your blood pumping can make you feel more energized. If you are in front of a computer, try setting it on a high counter and working while standing up instead of while seated. You can also try splashing some cold water on your face and turning on as many lights as you can. Coffee or caffeinated tea can help too. But don't go overboard, since drinking too much caffeine can make you feel more tired later in the day. If nothing is helping and you really can't keep your eyes open, set an alarm and take a 20-minute power nap to re-energize.